Namaskar everyone and welcome back to OlizStore's official YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing the new DJI Mavic Pro. So let's get started.
The DJI Mavic Pro is a small yet a powerful drone that turns the sky into your creative canvas and without worry helping you make every moment an aerial moment.
Okay, so let's unbox this. So we have got some paperwork from DJI. We have got the strap for the drone bag, which is over here. Okay, and यहाँ चाहिँ drone छ. And we have a battery for the drone and two batteries for the drone. Your bag is we have got the power adapter. And your drone ko remote पनि छ. We have got the charger. And त्यसपछि and charger. यो चाहिँ कम्प्युटरमा पनि जोड्न मिल्छ, पावर एडाप्टरसँग पनि जोड्न मिल्छ. त्यसैले तीनटा चार्जर दिएको छ. Now let's take a look at the other side. यहाँ चाहिँ we have the wings for the drone. यो wings को साइडमा चाहिँ हल्का गोल्ड छ and अर्को डिजाइन पनि रहेछ सिल्भरमा. You can see here. And we have यो सँग चाहिँ 8 वटा wings पनि आउँछ. त्यो भन्दा अगाडि wings हाल्नु.
On the top we have the compartment for the battery and यसको battery 27 minutes सम्म टिक्छ. That means that we have two more extra batteries, so total गर्दा it will last up to 1 hour and 21 minutes. And यसको front तिर चाहिँ we have the camera which shoots 4K Ultra HD videos at 30 frames per second. And यसको दुईटा सेन्सर छ and यसको तलपट्टि we have 4 sensors. That means that the drone ले sense गर्छ र it will automatically detect walls or obstacles within 15-meter range. And your camera is also automatic. It will track your motion and it can follow you also.
Okay guys, that was our video. For more information about this product, you can contact OlizStore or you can open your browser and type in olizstore.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.